Yes! Get it!
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Davis Junction or near Rockford Airport, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Milford, Parkland Grove, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, McChesney Park, Davis Junction, Caledonia, Loves Park, Rockford, Cherry Valley, Timberlane, Stillman Valley, Belvidere, Kicon, Roscoe, and Monroe Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 253, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the
Alright, might get a dispatch on the Boone County Fire Dispatch. I'll have to wait for it. Yeah, it's probably going to be too long.